Morning. It is 7:18 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to the gym with my friends. I'm gonna tie up my hair. I guess I can show you guys my outfit. I decided to vlog today because my roommate isn't here, so I can actually like vlog the day in the morning and stuff. My high school shirt, black leggings, and white shoes. Oh guys, I woke up this morning, my best friend put something on the door and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to show you guys. I have a few things to do today at Whispering because the walls are kind of thin. I have class at 10 and 12. I need to go to Walmart, Rainbow, City Trends, and the Dollar Tree to get some things. And hopefully I can do that. And tonight they're having $1 bowling at a nearby bowling alley. So hopefully I'm able to go. Don't know for sure. I was so hungry. I completely forgot to show you guys what I ate for breakfast. But I had a smoothie. They have like a smoothie bar, so I made a smoothie. And I had pancakes, bacon, and potatoes. Not supposed to be eating meat, but somehow the bacon ended up on my plate. I'm about to take a shower and get ready for class. It is currently 8:40 a.m. and so I need to be at class by 10. Okay, I'm fully dressed. It's currently 9:46 a.m. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick before I get ready to go. Okay, so I decided to do it pretty casual. It's actually kind of cool outside. It's like 60s, 70s. So I have on these Adidas gym shoes. These from Old Navy. These like capri leggings. And then just a regular black camisole along with this denim jacket, mixed denim jacket from Fashion Nova. This first class I have today is Poli Sci, which is state and local government. It's a decent class. It's pretty like an easy A. It's like a lecture. Like you have some classes that are like a lecture, but like this one's like actually a lecture. But it's literally right up the way. I live in Holland and it's in Gibbs, and so I'm just gonna head over there now. Okay, just got back from class. Normally don't come back to my dorm, but I left my computer here charging, so I just decided to come back in between classes. Headed to class. Ooh, oh my god, that was a huge bug.
Lance.
Okay, me and Lance went to go get some food from Simply to Go. And basically what they had was wax, so I just ended up getting fruit and a sandwich. I have to go somewhere at 5. Right now it's like 1:15, 1:20. So I'm just gonna chill in my room, watch a little Real Housewives for a little bit. I literally have no work. I'm trying to stop from taking a nap. I was getting kind of tired in class because I went to bed around 2 a.m. and woke up at 6:50 to go to the gym. I'm trying not to take a nap so that I'll be able to go to sleep. And I just finished getting ready.
On the 17th, we're moving on the 19th.
So I would have to come early.
Yeah.
And that means I would have to be here by August 12th, which is perfect because then my parents can help me move on. There's Nandi. There's Zakaria. We just left City Trends, you know, my favorite earrings. And that's it. Nothing else happened. Besides Nandi shutting down this poor man who just was trying to promote his t-shirts on Instagram. They need to repair my phone screen. The hair store in Dollar Tree. Okay. You can?
Just put a little band-aid.
Drum dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nandi then went in at the Dollar Store.
Wait, that's a little dirty.
Delete her.
No.
Maybe not for the library.
Oh, I was.
Might need to go back and get another one.
Rainbow is always good with the sandwiches. Ooh, these got my heart right here for I like those.
This is a bust.
Your butt. Why'd you make DK throw away your trash?
He offered. I was like,
Oh.
house is a strong word.
Yeah, they're like little apartments, kind of. I don't know. They're little shacks.
They're one-room shacks. We're going to catch the shuttle because walking ain't it. Walking ain't it. It is 7:30 and we just got back from the stores and Popeyes. These Holland stairs are no joke. About to chill out. I'm a little exhausted.
What's up? It's your boy. Never mind, I can't.
I'm not.
That's
It's CC on the beat. You already know what it is.
Kari.
We outie.
Yeah, we are.
And this vlog is outie. I'm done. It's a wrap. And scene.